So this is the best swampy area I've ever been in my life, and this, this exploration, this adventure is just getting more interesting as it stands now. These these are the swampy areas I'm talking about. Like in the past and in rural areas, like in the villages, like in my village in person, areas like these, there are what we call mud fishes. They just coil themselves in there. Tell you what, you might be scared. You think that it's a snake because they really look like snake. They have this slimy long body, and they just coil themselves here and stay in the mud to get themselves hydrated as the time gets worse. Now, I'm gonna try to I'm gonna try to dig in to see if I can see a mudfish. Mudfishes are known to be very, very um, prolific, very productive fishes. They're very clever fishes. They stay hydrated even when the water is dry, even when swampy areas like this are dry. They manage to dig muds like this and bury themselves in and stay for a very, very long time till the rains are back. So I'm trying to get one mudfish. Actually, I'm not trying to eat this mudfish, but I just want to use it as an experiment and just check some sort of stuff and how the life looks like, you know. So what you're seeing here is it's a crab hole. That's a crab hole you see there. Crab holes are really dangerous holes, you know. Sometimes snakes, predators go in there, kill those crabs and live there. But this crab is surely in there because you can see the the muddy the mud it dug out from the hole, and this mud is really still fresh. That's to tell you that that crab is still in there, and it's not really a good idea to dip your hand in there because crabs have, cranes that could just grab your hand in there. Could be a snake anywhere. So, well, all actually bring this crab out of that place is too much water. Though crabs are aquatic animals, they like water too, but at times when it gets too much, they just prefer where they can go and lay their eggs too. So I'm gonna leave this crab here for a while, but I'll be coming back later to check on this crab to see when it comes out. Could be a big one, and crabs, as you know, are delicacies. So back to the mudfish digging. Now, there you go. There's thousands of aquatic life there, lots of it. Very, very important aquatic life that we've been forgetting for a while. Now, what you see here are called the toads. Can you see that? And he's just jumping. This toad skips really, really high, really high. There it goes. There it goes. Can you see that? That's a hopper. This guy can fly 10 centimeters away from here. He's a really mad one. So let me try touching it. The clever thing about these hoppers is that they disappear in the water. Can you see that? There you go. That's a lovely one, isn't it? Look at that sharp face, but it can skip. Now, I'm not really certain about these toads, so I'm not going to be touching it that much. I don't know, but I'm just kind of scared. Perhaps it might be poisonous in a way. So I'm just going to open this water to let them out. So this is a really fun catching adventure. It's a really beautiful one. I like to spend time with nature and just look at things. But the human activities are really destroying aquatic life. Now look at this. What you see here is oil on the water, and this oil you see here prevents air from getting into the water and destroy aquatic life. That's why we have to work on what our human activities. We've been tampering with nature, and nature has been really depreciating in a few days. Now, this oil you see on this water never gets dry. All it does is it dries, it prevents air from getting down into this water, thus making it very, very unhealthy for aquatic life. So, as humans, we have to work on that too. I mean, we have to start thinking of ways to make betterment for the lives of us and other things that live in our environment too. So I'm up in the Tate here. See you next week, but this time, same time.